I recently took the plunge and bought several double bowl kitchen sinks to see which ones truly stand out. Trust me, I know how overwhelming it can be to choose the right one without wasting your hard-earned money. So I've tested these products so you don't have to. Let's dive in.
Product number 1. Kraus Premier 32-inch undermount sink. My experience with the Kraus Premier 32-inch undermount double bowl sink was nothing short of remarkable. Upon unboxing, I was immediately impressed with the heavy-duty 18-gauge stainless steel construction. It felt solid and robust, ready to withstand the daily grind of a busy kitchen. The installation process was smooth, thanks to the detailed instructions and all the necessary hardware that came included. I decided to mount it under my granite countertop, which created a seamless look. The sweeping, rounded corners not only offer a modern aesthetic, but make cleaning a breeze. I found myself wiping crumbs and spills straight into the sink without a second thought. One of my favorite features is the low divider between the two bowls. It allows for easy multitasking. I could wash large pots in one side while soaking vegetables on the other. The deep bowls kept any splatter contained, which is a huge win for me. The sink's design also includes a gently sloped bottom that ensures water drains efficiently, preventing any pooling. Moreover, the sink is equipped with large silencer pads that effectively reduce noise when dishes clatter. This truly enhances the kitchen experience, making it feel less chaotic during those busy meal prep times. However, a downside might be its size. Ensure your cabinet can accommodate the minimum 36-inch width requirement. Overall, I found the Kraus Premier to be an excellent investment for anyone looking for durability, functionality, and style. If you want a sink that's not only practical but also visually appealing, this is the one to buy. Its combination of heavy-duty construction and thoughtful design makes it a top contender in the double bowl sink market.
Product number 2. 30-inch black kitchen sink. The 30-inch black kitchen sink from Vivrenty caught my eye with its sleek design and modern finish. Right out of the box, I noticed the stylish, nano-coated black brushed stainless steel that not only looks chic but is also built to last. Installation was straightforward. It fit perfectly into my existing countertop cutout. The sink's dimensions are generous, allowing for deep bowls that easily accommodate large baking sheets and pots, which is a must for anyone who loves to cook. I was particularly impressed with the advanced nano coating that resists scratches and stains. After multiple uses, I noticed that it remained as pristine as when I first installed it. The sink's quiet design is also a game changer. The large sound-absorbing pad minimizes vibrations and noise while washing dishes, creating a more tranquil kitchen environment. One feature that stood out was the Smart X drainage system. Its X-shaped bottom allows for efficient drainage, ensuring that water flows freely without pooling. I did notice, however, that while the sink is stylish, it may show water spots more than traditional stainless steel. If you're not diligent about wiping it down, it can look a bit less polished, but honestly, these small maintenance steps are worth it for the aesthetic and functionality it brings to the kitchen. If you're looking for a modern sink that combines beauty with practicality, the Vivrenty 30-inch black kitchen sink is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want style without sacrificing performance.
Product number 3. Kraus Premier 32-inch KB22 double bowl sink. After trying the Kraus Premier 32-inch KBU22 double bowl sink, I can confidently say that this sink is a powerhouse. The moment I installed it, I appreciated its sturdy 18-gauge stainless steel build. This sink is designed to resist dents and damage, so you can keep your kitchen looking pristine even after years of use. The installation process was seamless, especially because it comes with an installation-ready kit, including everything you need. The two bowls are perfectly sized for multitasking. I often find myself rinsing vegetables in one side while washing dishes in the other. Its rear-set drains are a clever design choice as they maximize under-sink storage, giving you more space for your cleaning supplies. The sloped bottom design is another impressive feature that prevents water from pooling, a major advantage in any kitchen.
One of the highlights for me has been the wear-resistant finish, which not only looks great but also simplifies cleaning. However, I did notice that the sink can be a bit heavy, which might require 2 people for installation. Still, the quality and durability make it worth the effort. If you're in the market for a reliable, stylish double bowl sink, I highly recommend the Kraus Premier KBU22. It offers both beauty and practicality, making it an excellent addition to any kitchen.
Product number 4, Modern Kitchen Sink by Dweevy Steel. When I first laid eyes on the modern kitchen sink from Dweevy Steel, I was drawn in by its sleek design and modern features. The installation process was straightforward. I opted for the top mount configuration and it fit perfectly into my kitchen layout. The double bowl design is incredibly versatile, making it easy to juggle food prep and dishwashing simultaneously. The nano coating on the stainless steel surface is a notable feature. It's designed to resist fingerprints and water spots, which is a huge plus for someone like me who hates constant cleaning. Each bowl is deep enough to handle large pots and pans without issue, and the efficient drainage system keeps everything flowing smoothly. I particularly appreciated the noise-reducing design, which minimizes sound thanks to the sound-dampening pads. However, be mindful of the installation dimensions. I found that measuring twice was necessary to avoid any surprises. Overall, if you're looking for a stylish and functional sink that can handle the demands of a busy kitchen, the Modern Kitchen Sink by Dweevy Steel is an excellent option. It combines aesthetic charm with practical features, making it a worthwhile investment for any home chef.
Product number 5, RHB MAO 30-inch undermount sink. The RHB MAO 30-inch undermount double sink brought a modern touch to my kitchen with its elegant brushed finish. As soon as I installed it, I noticed how sturdy the 16-gauge stainless steel felt. This sink is built to endure the hustle and bustle of a busy kitchen, standing up to rust, stains, and corrosion. The double bowl design is a lifesaver. I often find myself washing dishes on one side while prepping food on the other. The brushed finish not only adds a stylish look, but also helps to hide fingerprints and minor scratches, which is an added bonus for anyone who values aesthetics. I appreciated the thoughtful soundproofing padding that minimizes noise during use, making it a quieter experience overall. One small downside is that the sink is a bit deep at 9 inches, which might require some adjustments if you have shorter family members. Nonetheless, the deep bowls are fantastic for soaking large pots and pans. If you're looking for a sink that combines functionality with a modern aesthetic, the RHB MAO 30-inch undermount double sink is worth considering. Its durable construction and elegant design will elevate any kitchen space. After testing these top 5 double bowl kitchen sinks, I can confidently say that all of them have unique features that cater to different needs. Whether you prioritize style, durability, or functionality, there's a perfect sink out there for you. Choose wisely and happy cooking.